I'm Eric Novak at Ford Motor Company's Canadian headquarters in Oakville, Ontario, where we're just about to see the reveal of the 4th generation 2020 Ford Escape. You know, last year they made an announcement, Ford did in North America. They're basically getting rid of all of their sedans, save for the Mustang, and instead they're moving towards an all SUV crossover and truck lineup. So vehicles like the Escape, which have been very important and one of their top sellers in the overall Ford lineup, have a critical role to play. So this launch of the new 2020 Escape is going to be met with a lot of interest. Are we going to see an electrification come back to the car? Let's find out. Gonzalo Contreras from Ford Canada, marketing manager with the new Escape. Tell me about this new Escape.
Very happy to be here with you, finally to being able to introduce this great vehicle. We've been working on it for quite some time, so it is great to see it finally here. It is all new, redesigned, in and out. We are going to add a lot of technologies. We're going to have a lot of performance and a lot of flexibility with the vehicle.
Right. So we're talking a whole new look. This is, I guess, the 6th generation, I think?
It is the fourth
generation, right? And a new look and design. I'm looking on the front here. I don't want to say there's some luxury performance comparisons here, but I mean, it's a pretty good looking overall. Tell me about the overall aesthetics of the exterior design.
It looks great, and thank you for the compliment. The silhouette, as we call it, has been entirely redesigned. We have been talking to customers, and what they have told us is they want something elegant, something urban, something sophisticated, but that they can still use on the weekends. And that it has functional technologies, and that's what we've been able to deliver.
And so under the hood now, we're talking 4 different powertrains, including the return of some electrification. Tell me about that.
Yeah, that is great. Again, we've been talking to customers, and now it's the time to bring back electrification. So we will have a full hybrid, and we will also have a PHEV.
Okay.
So those will be our electrified variants.
Right.
But we will also have 2 EcoBoost engines. So the 1.5 liter 3-cylinder will be standard. Okay. And we will also have the 2 liter EcoBoost, and that one will be the most powerful engine that Escape has ever had.
So now you're also talking, you've got your SE and SE, the titanium trim, and what it surprised me is you said in the titanium, your base engine is the hybrid.
Correct. So, and again, we're listening to customers, we're looking at trends, and we're seeing that they are accepting more and more the electrified variants. Okay. And yeah, we've decided to make the hybrid engine standard on the titanium. Customers will also have the option to move to a 2 liter if they choose. Right. If they want performance, if they want to tow more. But we will have the hybrid standard on the titanium.
And you have choices in the plug-in hybrid as well. You have more, just not one trim. You're going to have 3 trims?
We will have 3 trims on the plug-in hybrid. We'll have the SE, the SEL, and the titanium as well.
Now inside, I mean, a lot of times you say you've got a battery, you're going to give up space, but it looks pretty roomy and modern inside. Tell me about the interior.
We've done, again, entirely redesigned. So we get new seats. On the second row, we're aiming to have a best-in-class second row legroom, which is a big deal when you have 25 competitors in the segment.
Of course, yeah.
So the seats slide 6 inches. So if you want to adapt it to have more cargo space, you can do that. Or if you want to have more room to put the car seat there, you can also do that.
And so you're appealing to the weekend hackers and duffers by saying in the new cargo area, you can actually fit 4 sets of golf clubs.
Correct, 4 sets, and also 4 people in the car, no problem, no compromise.
So at the end of that round, 4 people angry about the round, but still
or
4
happy.
Well, I could go that, usually not, but nonetheless.
Okay. And then the one other thing that I didn't say is the battery. So the battery, there has been a huge evolution on the battery. So now we're able to put it underneath the seats. Right. So there is no compromise to cargo. It is the size of a briefcase. Okay. The hybrid battery. So no compromise to cargo space.
And so when are we going to see this available on roads and dealerships for customers to buy?
These will be in dealerships this fall.
Okay, this fall. Pricing, fuel economy numbers still to come?
They will still to come. We'll soon, closer to launch, we will be able to communicate that information.
Okay, looks good. Can't wait to test it out myself. Yeah,
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you for having us.
All right. I love the look of this new Ford, and I love the fact that we've got a hybrid and a plug-in hybrid back again. So I'll be looking forward to the time when we can get behind the wheel and drive this new Escape. But until then, from Ford's Canadian headquarters in Oakville, Ontario, I'm Eric Novak. Thanks for watching. There's plenty of ways for you to keep connected with me, so check out some of my social media links, suggested videos, and I'd really love it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel.